This alluvial gold washing line from JXSC Mine Machinery Factory is designed for maximum efficiency. The process begins with a vibrating feeder, ensuring a steady flow of raw ore into the trommel scrubber, perfect for breaking down sticky clay and washing materials. The trommel scrubber removes clay from the material while also discharging oversized waste. Next, a high-frequency vibrating screen separates the material into two particle sizes, 0 to 2 mm and 2 to 20 mm. The 220 mm ore enters a jig separator for separation. The 0 to 2 mm ore enters a centrifugal concentrator. Tailings from the concentrator enter a sluice box to capture finer gold particles. Concentrate from the concentrator and sluice box enters a shaking table to further refine impurity levels. This customizable equipment, with processing capacities ranging from 50 to 200 tons per hour, is ideal for alluvial mining. Optional upgrades include a centrifugal concentrator to increase recovery rates,